Hi, this is Olivia. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe down below and click the thumbs up sign if you like my videos, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so you'll be updated on my future videos. Today is the second day of lockdown here in Manila. If we don't have anything to do, so I'm just thinking of decluttering my sauce cabinet. Through the years, I've just been putting things on top of each other, so I just can't find anything there anymore. It's hard to look for things that I'm looking for, and I just buy double of everything. I think if I can't find it, I just buy a new one. Let's start.
Okay, let's go get a pail and put some water. And
I just cleaned up the space there in front, and this is the cabinet we're going to declutter. This is how it looks right now. The top one is just like that because I can't reach that. So only the second and the bottom one we're gonna fix. A few days ago, I just bought a few organizer, so I think I'm just gonna put them there and organize my things, declutter it and organize it. And I also have this from my cabinets. I don't know where I bought this, maybe from the same store. Okay, let's just bring all those stuff down on this table. This is how it looks from up here. Yes, and we're gonna change the liners. There are newspaper and old calendars here. So those are the stuff there. I think there are some more stuff here. Some are double. Let's bring everything down. What's this? There's one. Oh, I have two black papers. Okay. So what am I going to do with those things? I think now I'm overwhelmed with all of those things there. I think I'll just wipe it down one at a time. Okay, I think I'm gonna organize them. Soy sauce? Soy sauce, where are the soy sauce? This is a soy sauce. Let's wash it down. Soy sauce. I think this is a soy sauce. It's a new one. Just wipe it. And they're all heavy. Soy these two things are also soy sauce. Wash and put it all together. I think it would be heavy if I put it in just one like this. Just wipe it down and put it down there. That one haven't been opened. I'll just put it on top. So I think I'm gonna put this on top first, on the 2 layers, and think again. I think that's good. Okay, now we have 4 bottles of black vinegar, which I never use, and I have 5 kinds of soy sauce. There's a new one, and those others were used a little bit. I just decided to leave 1 bottle of black vinegar. These 2 I'm going to put it up there because the other one is still new. 3 I'm going to use them and put it in the dirty kitchen. Put these 2 up here, because I will just refill those stuff there that I'm using. Put it back there. And all the other things I'll think again. So I have these containers of ketchup. I think I'm gonna wash them and refill them. I was looking for them a while back because I keep buying only refills, but I can't find my bottles. So now I found them, and I'm gonna wash them and clean it up first. So I just put this soap on them and let them soak for a while. And I think before I let it dry, I'll just put some hot water on them. I'm still looking at my pile and still don't know what to do. So 1 item at a time. Wine, because these are new. This is new. I bought 2. I bought 2 of this. This is rice wine. So I'm gonna put 1 on top. So I put the other one over there beside the soy sauce. I just bought this one. It's new. They're rice wine. I put it on seafood, on fish, on shrimp, and everything. So just put it there. This one. This is a big sesame oil. I have to tell my daughter this is a sesame oil and she doesn't have to buy a new one. So I have a big bottle of honey here, and I think I'm gonna put it on this. I think I bought this so I can transfer this one to here. Okay. So we'll transfer it. I'm going to put this sesame oil here on top because it's not going to be used. And this brown vinegar, I haven't used this yet, and I don't know how to use this. Put it there. Virgin coconut oil here. I just bought it. It's a new one. So I think I'm just gonna, and I have a big apple cider vinegar here. Put it there because I have a small one here, and I think I'm gonna put it down here. I have a lot of honey. Yeah, I think I'm gonna keep it up there too. Honey. This one is honey. Another honey. I think this one. I don't know what this is. So I'm gonna finish all the other honey. This one. I don't know how to use this. So put some calamansi and put honey and drink it. Should be ubos na. No, it's not yet ubos. Alamang, still have stock here. What else? Oh, I have this. What's this? Balsamic. This is balsamic vinegar. This was given to me by my friend. Not yet done. just put all the vinegars together, the apple cider, the balsamic, and this one also balsamic vinegar. Just put them all together. And all the rice wine together, the mirin, two mirin, Korean mirin and Japanese mirin, and the rice wine. Put it all together. Will it close? No, it won't. Oh, it's too long. So I put the oils together, the sesame, the coconut, and the olive oil. So spray, and the mirin, rice wine, and yeah, two mirins and rice wine together too. And I think I'll just put it here, this side, so I can reach it faster. Put it here. Oil and the wine. And the vinegar, I think I'll just push it back over there because we seldom use that. Konti na lang. Yay. Okay, all these other condiments, like this one, in this pouch, in the pouches, I just put it in this one container so I can find everything here. So I think I'll transfer the vinegar on the top shelf because the balsamic and we seldom use them. Just there on the vinegar space. Okay, I think that's organized enough. This is the second level and this is the bottom. Yeah. All the things I need are all here. Okay. Okay, today I organized this cabinet, my sauce cabinet. Yeah. Organizing one space at a time. I hope you enjoyed my video, and please don't forget to subscribe and click the thumbs up sign if you like my videos, and don't forget the notification bell so you'll be updated on my future videos. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Bye.